Okay, doing a euro analysis on a new chart. Nice and clean. Let's see what happened. Just did one on the pound, so it's going to be relatively similar. We had a price come down, past this liquidity, took it out, and now it looks like it's reversing. So euro had a bit more cleaner highs, but I'm plotting out this trend line here. Price came all the way down, manipulated, a little bit of expansion, then reverse, and then reverse again. Okay, so where are you going to go next? Usually external range liquidity on the chart. So there's not much in terms of inefficiency here. So I'm not going to look for it to reverse much. And it's kind of like low resistance, not many swing points. So I expect it to come up here pretty fast and the US dollar just to get completely wrecked. Okay, let me just check out this trend line here. It's a bit steep, but just making sure. Okay, so irrelevant. So we start on the monthly. We came into this monthly gap here. Nice expansion out of it. So now I'm up here. 11 days for the month. So let's just start on the 12th month. Nothing. Yeah, just go lower straight away. 6 month. This is initial target. And I'm going to go to any time frame where it's the lowest, where there's a gap. So 4 is kind of it's cleaner than the 3. So I'm going to put the 4 here. So this is, I would consider structural CB. Same as the pound. Nice potential candle breaker or change the state delivery. This first target, and it's very close to that. Let's see what else we got. 3 months, 2 months, 1 month. 1 month, okay. So we have a new 3 week. And because we have a new 3 week, this is my point of interest for the 3 week over here. This is a reclaim order block, bearish order block on the 1, 2, 3 week. So what am I expecting? Trade down here into here. So this is a 4 month. Something like that, right? If I want to take a long, it's in here. Let me go look at the 4 month again. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so 2 week is not yet closed. So we may have a nice 2 week gap coupled with this reclaim order bearish order block. 2 week weekly is closed. Okay, nice as well. So I'm expecting this weekly gap to hold. I mean, it looks nice. We've got a wick here. It could go as low as around the midpoint or into this, even into that. That should be fairly effective at stopping price, I think. So this is the candle busy on the 1 week. So that's where I can take a trade. Okay, start looking for a trade. It should not come down here. Yeah, it should not. From my experience, we have this supporting price in terms of the next candle. I want to take the next candle. I'm not looking for something to come all the way down there. So initial stop loss is down here. Okay. Initially. As in price should not come down there. If I put a big fat thing and I just get in here, it should not come there. It should definitely do that. And this was an area that I was interested in, this cliff as well. So this trade should work out. Even if it comes and digs down here, it should work out. You won't have to endure too much heat, I think. And it shouldn't break this low, right? It did what I needed to do. Use this reclaim bearish order block. And now again, use this reclaim bearish order block. So you kind of get a market maker model here. You get the original consolidation, reaccumulation, another reaccumulation. You get a turtle soup, lower sell, and I think again another distribution, first stage distribution, make it a second stage redistribution, and then you're just at a higher time frame area. Yeah, yeah, looks good, looks good, and there's relative equal highs here as well. So obviously going there. Of course, we don't want to put a stop here, so we just want to find trades a bit lower. Bit of a wick list that may have price trade into it on the 4-day. Okay, so this on the weekly. Weekly did not close above this candle. And we'll see what the next week does. Does it come into here and then get rejected back here? So that's a possibility, right? I want to see where does it come to first. This 4-month gap? Here, if it comes into here, you could possibly take a trade into here. So it could be something like that, right? It could be something like that. Let's go through the days that new 3-day. Look at this wickless here. This John wickless, really wickless. I can expect price to come back there for sure. I don't know in terms of where price is exactly going to stop, but I can't wait for some PD arrays to form. 2 days done. 1 day. Yeah, so 1 day came into a gap, but we're not breaking above just yet, right? We have a new weekly. We transcended the time frames. We're on a higher time frame now. Now we have the weekly. So that's the John Wick list on the 3-day. And yeah, we just have an R2F here as well. So this area is interesting to me. So it's under 1 week, but let's call this my POI. It's an R2F gap. $12-hour. So now we can go to the lower time frames and just kind of spot. I don't care about all this noise. It's been like Easter Sunday, Good Sunday, right? Good Friday, Good Sunday. I just woke up, so then it's Easter Monday, and on Monday, so also bank holidays. So it's been doing this, like it's not moving, and the spread is just atrocious. So I expect some manipulation coming next week, and then a drop, and then so maybe a Tuesday low of the week, or Wednesday. So let's find something. So price could even come up here, possibly. I'll just stop somewhere in here. Let's go even lower time frame. I mean, I'm expecting it to kind of come into that weekly, but maybe it comes into here first, right? Is that it? Is that all the candles I get? Okay, maybe I can't see that far. Okay. Yeah, it's not letting me. It's fine. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm expecting for the euro. equal highs here. So if the pound's going to go even higher, then I think the euro is even going to come up above here, bang on this trend line, and then maybe bang to the 4-month. Who knows? But this is what I have so far. This would be a nice zone. Possibly taking a trade down here, back into here, or a short from here to back into that zone. Should not break this area, I think. Okay. Yep, that's it for euro.